Howdy guys, this is Grant from Frontier Truck Gear. Today we're going to be going over the sensor extension cables for the 2025 Chevy Tahoe. The early orders are going to need a small modification to the extension cables. We are currently working on getting a new extension cable made for the 2025 model, but it's not ready yet. So we're going to go over the small modification needed. Basically, there's this locating feature inside of the sensor and the sensor extension cables that will need to be removed. And so we'll go over which part of those features need to be removed. On the extension cable itself, on the inside of the female portion, there's a nib. We have found that a chisel works best, but you could use a razor blade or even a pocket knife if you can get in there. And you just kind of insert that chisel, push through, make sure you get all the material out of it, make sure it's flush. It's pretty straightforward. On the outside, you're going to need to just carve away the material to match the other side, just like that. Then, when you go actually to plug in your sensors, there's an orientation, so that locating feature, make sure you can't plug them in backwards. Now there's a risk. So the orientation that you plug them in is like this. So the sensor and the clip are facing away from each other. And then you plug it in like that, bam. And then when you go to plug it into the truck, it's gonna be the same thing. This blob and the connector are gonna face away from each other, like that. That is the proper orientation for the connector.